There's something about the nature of Pacific Northwest that makes you want to become an environmentalist. Everything about the nature here is so quiet and calm and intelligent, leaving you in an absolute awe of its presence. I used to see forests as collections of trees, but this trip to Hoh Rain Forest opened my eyes to the extraordinary complexity of forests, as its true strength lies in its incredible underground world, not what our eyes can see. Underneath of our feet, the roots of all these trees and plants are connected in one incredible network. I listened to the rangers talk and to fascinating forest scientist Susan Simard's TED Talk, where she explains how fungi roots form mycelium and create a web that transmits information between the roots of trees and plants.
They'll say things like, oh, there's an insect that's attacking me here. You guys need to get ready for it. Or I'm running low on resources. Could you share them? And then they share them. They share those resources, which is pretty amazing as well.
Hoh Rain Forest is one of the largest temperate rainforests in the country. It receives incredible amount of rain, which promotes growth of moss everywhere, making these trees look very fairy tale-like. And it's hard to believe that the beauty we see here is just the tip of the iceberg, not the iceberg itself. See, like all this moss, it's basically plant on top of the tree, but you know, when it dies, it turns into soil, and then it creates roots there. So we have all this, a whole different life going on branches of trees. The entire area of Olympic Peninsula, where it's located, is truly amazing. Formed by glaciers thousands of years ago, it includes oceans and rivers that are like highways for salmon to swim home and spawn. So where do we come in? As living things on this planet, we are part of nature's network too. But ever since we climbed to the top of food chain, became powerful enough to fly without wings and dive without gills, we forgot that with power comes responsibility. Some say we're like a virus, took over the planet, multiplied, and consume. But how do we stop this relentless industrial machine before we kill our host? Awareness? Visiting magical places like this is very eye and heart opening.